Hey everyone, today I am going to show you how to make a face pack cum scrub which will give you glowing skin with regular use. Masoor dal helps to exfoliate the skin, tighten the pores, brightens your skin and also removes tan. Rava powder opens skin pores, removes dirt and eliminates dead skin cells, blackheads and make the skin more clear and fair. Almonds, which are rich in vitamin E, will help in reducing signs of aging and nourishes your skin. Raw milk is an amazing natural facial cleanser. It will drive out all the dirt from within clogged pores, preventing further blackheads, acne and more. So I have taken 10 badams here, 8 to 10 teaspoons of masoor dal in a small bowl and same quantity of rava. Transfer this all into a mixer and grind it until you get a fine powder. This is the texture and color which you will get after grinding. Now for applying, you can take 2 teaspoons of this mixture by adding 2 teaspoons of milk to it. Now apply evenly to skin and keep it for up to 15 to 20 minutes. After it dries up with applying water to your face, scrub your face nicely and wash it. You can use this face pack 1 to 2 times a week. You will be getting glowing skin with this face pack. You can store this for more than a month in refrigerator. Hey friends, if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Until next video, take care and bye.